So I just want to tell you a really good eyebrow hack if you're in a hurry and you feel like you have to have the perfect brows. You're going to take any brow pencil, you're going to start from the middle, and this is literally going to take me just a second. Just quickly, just fill in the sparse. And you know what? It doesn't have to be perfect because eyebrows aren't perfect. Everybody has different sides. Each side of your face is different. So really, you're just being picky for yourself. But if you're in a crunch of time, just take your eyebrow pencil and that. Okay, so that's done. But here's the kicker. Let me show you. So I just literally opened this and was like tapping down like, oh, I got to get some out. Yeah, there's none left. I used it all. Okay, but guess what? There's plenty at the bottom for what I want to do. Let me show you. I'm going to just take it. I'm going to just take a little bit. I'm just going to wipe it. Instead of using the concealer, try this. Try this. This is going to be a life changer. This is going to brighten. Do you see? I mean, maybe you can't see because of the camera, but there is a huge difference for me. Just try it. You'll see. If you can't see it on my camera, on the video here, try it. Just take your pink powder. It doesn't matter what brand. It doesn't matter how inexpensive or expensive it is. Just try it. Let me know if you tried it and if it worked for you. But this completely, because I didn't want to use concealer. It gets messy. I can't fix the line to make it sharp. But this with my little cheap Temu, but honestly, just because it's cheap, I think it's real hair. Isn't that insane? That's crazy to me. It's a nice quality brush, and I paid about $5 for the set. And then you can go up too. This is gonna brighten your eyes and sharpen them, make them nice and clean, and yet you're gonna have a nice popped eye. And don't throw away your stuff. Open them up, see what's in there. That has saved me a lot because otherwise I would have went and got another one of these, and this is a sample one, and I think the full size one is $30-something. I might just try like a Wet n Wild, or if Maybelline has one. If you guys know, put it down below. I want to know what other brands are good because I often go to the high-end brands, but lately I've been doing like the Wet n Wild, and I don't know, some are good, some are okay, but tell me what you think. What do you guys use that you feel like, wow, this is a great product and I didn't have to spend a fortune on it? All right, have a great day. Bye.